Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. So let's get started. First of all, you just have to open up your Instagram settings and tap on settings and privacy and tap on account center and tap on password and security. Now here you can see there is no any direct way to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. So I'm going to tell you how to do. So first of all, you just have to open up your phone settings. After opening up your phone setting, you just have to search for Google. And here it is, you just have to tap on it. After tapping on Google, you just have to tap on manage your Google account. Now you have to tap on security, and here you have to just scroll down, and here you have to find password manager, and here it is, you just have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now you can see all your apps password here. Google will save all your apps password here, so you can see your forgotten Instagram password from here. That's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.